Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, Zia, and I'm your host, P5, aka P's are good, P's are good, ever P's are good. And this is another episode of 2 Feet Bare Creps. Alright guys, let's get into it. You know I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna drop it and we're gonna get into it. So drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. You already know how we do this, guys. Let me just give you the little twirlage of the old boxage. I know this is something you've not seen before. You're thinking, what the hell is that? What is that? Well, don't worry. We're going to get into it like we're getting into it. Except we're going to get into it like we're doing it for TV. Something like that. Alright, my beautiful people, what's good? Now, for those of you who have watched my last couple videos, you know that I went to the launch of a footwear brand, and this footwear brand is owned by J2K. For those of you who are a bit older, and also the young who are in the know, J2K is kind of member of Roll Deep, you know, extended member, you know, part of the Roll Deep family. Just, yeah, killer MC. You need to check out his tune, Fresh, super. Just type J2K on YouTube and check Fresh. That's a big tune, by the way. I love that tune. Yeah, really dope. But yeah, he's a dope MC, entrepreneur, yeah, just man of the world, shall we say. Been in the fashion and the music thing for a while, do you know what I mean? Like I always see him at Crep events and, you know, give him the nod, you know, cool guy. But yeah, anyway, that's a little sort of breakdown of who J2K is, and he has now released his own independent footwear brand called Hyphnt, and I hope I've got that wrong, so please J2K, if I got that wrong, do forgive me, but it's Hyphnt or Hyphnt, something like that. I'm going to say Hyphnt, and let's get into it. So of course you see the branding on the old boxage right there, Hyphnt, in that black glossy font. What? Glossy font in that black glossy font on a brown box, and of course you see the H logo right there. Loving the box because look, it's a carry, it's a one-stop shop, as you can see. No need for an extra bag, saving the planet, thought of everything. A nice rope, a thick rope handle, super dope. So as you can see, it opens, you see the demarcage there. This is a size 9 and this is called a Citywalker and it's in grey. Okay guys, extra long intro only because, you know, this is it's something different. Look at the box, it opens like your Lamborghini doors, you know what I mean? Lamborghini Diablo. Sorry, I don't know what that was. That was supposed to be Akon, but anyway, so as you can see, let me just give you a little bit of the old literature right there. As it says, can you see? It gives you a little description of what it's all about right there. Go read it, check it out, you know what to do. Okay, now I'm just going to give you a little boom and we're going to get into it. You know how we do it. We do right foot, left foot. Alright, we've got the papier there, you know what I mean, the literature. It's got the logo printed all over. Sorry, showing you the wrong way. Gosh, am I an amateur or amateur? Anyway, boom, let's put that back in. We're going to close the box and we're actually going to get into the shoes. Do you know what I mean? Jesus Christ, I spent ages on the box, but let's go into the details properly if we're going to do it properly, you know what I'm saying? Okay, boom, box, right foot, left foot, slide over there, right foot. Here we go guys, this is the Citywalker in grey, and I must say, as soon as I walked in the shop, I saw this pair, I was like, that is the pair. That is the pair. Let's have a little look. Give you a little twirlage. There's the booty right there, you know what I'm saying? Give you that little twirlage. You know what I'm saying? The remedial side right there. And then you got the main side. Alright guys, let's get into it. We start at the crop circle. As you can see, the crop circle is very, I want to say it's got those ridges right there. So it's very, you know, like a durable, made for walking. It's called a Citywalker, but you know, judging by this sole, you know, it gives you enough traction. Do you know what I mean? If you need to go slide on the ice, you know, and you haven't got your skates, this will probably give you traction to do that. If you need to, you know, go on your cycling, this will probably give you traction to do that because of the grooves. I mean, anything you want to do. In fact, I believe you could play Premier League football, at least at a high level football, with these shoes. Now, they're not made for those, so don't take my word for it. I'm not, you know, I'm not gonna say this is what you can do, go break your neck and then you sue J2K. I said it, not him, and I've made it all up, so there's my disclaimer. Alright guys, we have this beautiful midsole, which is kind of like a chunky Vans midsole, do you know what I mean? And I don't want to, you know, start using other brand names to describe another brand, but I always do that just to give you a sort of feel for what I'm saying. So if you think of your Vans midsole, and then with an extra layer, do you know what I mean, which gives you these grooves in on the bottom. And of course you see the logo right there. Let me give you a little close-up. You see the logo right there. Beautiful little touch. Just in case you're wondering who it is, it shows you. Now you have the upper, and the upper is this. As you can see, I run my finger across it. You see the coloration change, and that tells you that the suede is nice. If you got a suede shoe and you can't see the coloration change in the suede ain't really that butter, do you know what I mean? So this is a nice suede, do you know what I mean? Really nice. It's not like the super soft suede. It's more like a sort of more durable suede, but you can tell that the suede quality is there, just like I said, by doing the old finger test. Do you know what I mean? Pause. So, you know, boom. All right, so you got that nice little panel right there. You see that, and then it goes over into the mid bit, and on that mid bit you've got this sort of heavy duty mesh. Like everything here, it seems, you know, like I said, it's called a Citywalker, and it seems it's made for durability. So you might, you know, think of your Air Max 1 mesh, but think of that, you know, dipped in Kevlar or something, so you've got a bit more of a strong bulletproof mesh. So, you know, if ever you're getting shot at, just take this shoe off and then point the mesh bit and you will deflect bullets. Once again, disclaimer. But anyway, you see the logo there, you know, the bridge and the H. So basically, there's a story behind the H, you know, for hyphenate, and also the bridge, which sort of linking things together, culture. I don't want to misspeak, so please do check out the website and you'll see. Of course, now we're going on to the front right there. You can see that going all the way round, all the way round. Of course, Equilibrium's say a beautiful thing, as you know. Equilibrium's a beautiful thing, so you have the exact same on the other side. Now, if you look at the lace eyelets here, you've got a couple leather hits right there, that leather hits right there as well, and then of course God, can I speak? Lace eyelet right there, again on that leather hit, and of course Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, so you have it on the other side. Alright guys, let's look at the toe bed. As you can see, that beautiful resplendent suede going all the way around, and of course you have that you know, thick sole right there. Now following on from the little hints on the little hits on the side, of course you have that Kevlar like body right there. Super nice on the toe box, super nice and very durable. Of course you have these beautiful laces right there, nice thick kind of laces, beautiful grey color. Of course you have the logo right there, and that is on a bed of leather printed in white. Really nice. Hyphenate right there. Have a look inside. Of course you see the Hyphenate logo there. Take the sole out, shall we? Let's do that. Nice little insole right there, black, resplendent in its blackness. Of course got a little design on the bottom. Guys, this shoe is really nice, and I must say that I'm super proud. You know, I don't know J2K personally, but I'm super proud that he was able to do this, man. I'm super proud that, you know, one of us who's really been in the scene for a while is able to sort of bring their own shoe to life. And not only have they brought it to life, it's super quality. Do you know what I mean? Super quality, you know. Yeah, it was a great event. He gave me a little interview, so please check out the video. And yeah, really dope. Of course, if you know anything about us in the game, we like to get people to sign things, so thank you J2K for signing this, and yeah, much appreciated. Yeah, I just want to shout out to everyone involved in this shoe. J2K, congratulations, great shoe. I think this might be the world premiere of this shoe, as in a review, and yeah, hopefully I will do more of these. Of course, you see the Hyphenate on the back on that nice lighter grey suede hit right there. You got that X, you know, X marks the spot, so to speak. Really dope. It's just quality all the way around. You can see the stitching, you know, they've really taken time, you know what I mean, quality, attention to detail. I'm really impressed with. So yeah, really love these laces, super nice. It's just a dope shoe, guys. Really nice, you know. Like, let me just give you the close-up so you can see all the little grades of the suede. You can see the stitching. Yeah, really dope. And again, there's a super nice story behind it. Also came with this little booklet right there, which I picked up at the event, so it gives you a lot of, you know, the literature about the actual shoe, and you know, where it's coming from, what they've done to get here, and what the story is, you know, why we do this, and what the purpose of our mission is, you know what I mean? So So yeah, really dope. Yeah, just quite impressive. They've got 4 different styles, and yeah, they've got a more kind of runner style. They've got the Citywalker and a couple other pieces, so please do check them out. Yeah, man. Super nice, I must say. Guys, this has been 2 Feet Bear Creps. This has been your boy P Fire, aka P is for perfectly punctual person, and this has been another episode of Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Guys, this shoe is really dope. Please check it out. They've officially launched now, and you should be able to get them on their website, so please take a look, support independent brands. And yeah, the quality on these is fly, it's dope. I can't wait to wear these. I will try and give you an on feet. Oh, also, these are a size 9. I normally wear a size 9.5 in night, and these have a little bit of room, so I would say if you're a 9.5, get a 9. If you're a 10, you could probably get a 9 as well, to be honest. Do you know what I mean? But if you're a 10, definitely don't get a 10. It will be a little bit big. Guys, boom. What more can I say? Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Mad love to all of you. And yeah, shout out. I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.